dressed up. So when I do, your girl be feeling herself. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera. This is my bare face. I know you haven't seen me in months, but here actually is my last video I was supposed to be here. So I'm about to do my brows off camera and put some moisturizer, because as you can see here, I have some dryness, some crustiness, all looking crusty and whatnot. So I'm actually gonna moisturize my face first, because I can't go in with a crusty face. So I'm gonna use this Dove here just as a base. And it smells good. That's why I like to use it. Pro Filt'r Instant Retouching Primer, Soft Matte. Okay, so now I'm going to start with my face. I'm going to use Done So. Check out my review. It's going to be in 500G. This is my shade color. My pump doesn't work, so I'm just going to put this on my face. I haven't got a new makeup routine down pack, so I'm just gonna do how I usually do my makeup. And this Coastal Scents brush is like I'm taking this and then stippling this in. I'm not gonna really do much to my face, but digging into this section here. My deepest dark, this is mineralized skin finish here, my MAC, and so I'm going to go in here and then use this as my transition color just to blend everything out. And you can see it's in a more fluffier brush compared to this one, which is more dense. I'm going to show you. This is more dense and fluffy. This is completely fluffy, so it's a difference. So I'm using this fluffy brush. Yes Queen by Little Lashes. I'm going to be doing my concealer, and I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty 420. skin. This is 420 still. So I'm just gonna blend this out with this beauty sponge here. It's wet. Brighter. So this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna put a little. So I'm gonna mix my two setting powders. It looks like a lot. This will glam, but I'm going for brunch. With that same Sacha buttercup on my lid and set this other side. Just to tone down that highlight because it is a lot, but I do want to brighten that highlight. And so then I'm going to go in with my Beauty Bakery Flour Not Bitter. Better Not Bitter is in the shade, it's in the shade yellow, my bad. And so I'm just going to set that on top of my Sacha buttercup. This is right here. Take that setting powder and just bake right here. I'm just gonna bronze my face with this. This is not what I usually use, but this is all I could find at the moment. Okay, so I toned down this under eye and it looks good on camera, yes. And I blended everything out because that was gonna take a long time. But I am gonna put some blush on. I need a blush brush. So I'm using this brush, old brush, it's Raizin by MAC, and it's an oldie and I use it a lot. It's in Color Bake that's what I say, Raizin Bake Bronzer, the Gingersnap. It looks like this. Using KKW lip pencil. And I really didn't want to overline my lip, but my top lip is overlined and I'm noticing that. Good Moaninnnn by Teyana Taylor and MAC Cosmetics. If you haven't already done so, check my video out. I know it's been a long time since I recorded a video, but it's one of my last few videos. I'll leave it up at the top. But this is here, what it looks like. And here. Ooh, it's a lot. I'm going to be using, I just dropped that. I'm going to be using Morphe Continuous Spray. I look so cute. It's not often that I dress up, so when I do, your girl be feeling herself. But I'm about to put this on my head. The liner under my eyes, so I'm about to do that. I'm about to use my lip bar, straight out of Patience smudge proof liner.